Lord Jesus. What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Nick, man, and I'm checking back with another video, man. Your boy is back. I'm in the Impala. I got that mug back, man. Your boy has got the Imp back. It's out the collision shop, out the paint shop, man. It's clean, it's wet, it's looking good. Your boy is happy and satisfied, man. Don't mind the wind. I got the windows down. I don't know, man. You can see it with the smile on my face, man. I'm happy. I'm excited, man. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna take y'all around it, man. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like and stuff and let y'all see how they did, man. But remember, this y'all first time checking your boy out. Like, comment, subscribe, and share it too, man. Definitely share it, man. Share it. You know what I'm saying? If you like what you're doing, you rocking with your boy, turn all post notifications on, man, to join that Motor City crew. But I'm gonna get to the details, man, because I know y'all want to see the car, man. So I'm gonna hurry up and just show y'all. All right, y'all. This your boy Motor City Neek, man. I'm back. Finally here, man. I'm at the crib, and I'm about to go ahead and let y'all. Ooh, y'all see it? Yeah. Look at the way that sun hitting that mud. I'm about to let y'all see it, man. I'm gonna take y'all around it, man. So remember the last video that I did with y'all, and I showed y'all what it looked like. So before, this the after. It's a little dusty because it's dusty where I stay. Yeah, buddy. Remember it was a dent right here? It's gone. Nothing. Remember I had clear coat? Nothing. It's gone. Remember my hood? I mean, not the top of my hood, not my hood, but the roof. Completely done. Doors all the way good. Yes, Lord. This baby look good. Man. My God. Ooh-wee. Is that boy right there? Ah! You see Al Perot's over there. Lord. God damn. They did it all. Ooh, see that hood? Oh yeah. Boy in there like swimwear. Damn. Ooh, the way that sun beaming, boy. Good God. Drop a comment, man. Let me know what y'all think. All right, y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. That's my reveal. I definitely got way more stuff coming up, man. Way more stuff that I'm doing. Shoot, you definitely got to stay tuned for the next video, man. Put my wheels on. In that bag right there is the I can't show the steering wheel because it show my rims, but y'all get it. But stay tuned for that next video, man. That's gonna be showing the process of me putting my wheels on. Right now I'm about to do some little intricate cleaning in the car, man. It's pretty dusty and dirty from, you know, the collision guys working in and out the car and getting stuff together. So I'm gonna clean it out. Probably put my steering wheel on, do a couple other things, man, and finish getting my car ready and up to park. But once again, man, it's your boy Motor City Neek. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, check your boy out. Hope you liked the video. Till next time, peace.